Definition. Circularity is a two-dimensional surface form control. The surface is assessed to determine that all circles that make up the surface being controlled are within the given circularity tolerance. Each circle is separately verified and without regard to datum features. The circularity tolerance zone consists of two concentric circles, the distance apart radially the amount that appears in the feature control frame. The centers of the measured polar profile may be used to determine the out-of-roundness. The centers which are used, unless otherwise specified, are determined by the minimum radial separation center. Minimum radial separation, MRS. Minimum radial separation is the center for which the radial difference between two concentric circles which contain the measured polar profile is a minimum, also known as the center for minimum full indicator movement, FIM. Circularity is an unrelated control. Each feature is compared to a perfectly round geometric counterpart of itself. No datums are required. It is a surface control wherein each circular line element of the surface is considered in a cross-section perpendicular or normal to the feature center at that cross-section. In this two-dimensional radial control, each element of the surface must lie within the boundaries formed by two concentric circles that lie the distance apart are reflected by the tolerance in the feature control frame. Verification techniques. Some of the verification techniques for circularity are shown here. The minimum number of out-of-roundness measurement that are required to define the surface of a three-dimensional body are not specified in the Y14.5 standard. Sufficient measurements should be taken to ensure that the measured profiles are typical.